Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. In today's program, we will cover market moves across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all up today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,850.51, gaining 21.14. The Dow 30 index had a strong uptick, closing at 47,882.89, with a rise of 408.43 points. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite index stood at 23,454.9, up 40.42 points. Market breadth was positive across the board. In the S&P 500 index, advances outpaced declines, with 331 stocks rising. Similarly, the Dow 30 index saw 23 stocks advance. Notably, the Russell 2000 index had a considerable advantage with 1,604 stocks moving up. Examining total returns, the Russell 2000 index led with a 1.9% rise. The Nasdaq Composite index showed a healthy year-to-date return of 21.46%. In contrast, the S&P 400 Midcap Index had a minor negative weekly return, despite an upward price movement. The energy sector led the gainers, closing up 1.8% at 696.60, with an upward breakout from a flat trend. Financial services also broke out positively to end at 888.67, while industrials sustained growth at 1,302.51. Consumer cyclical rose steadily, maintaining its positive trend. The technology sector dipped slightly by 0.41%, closing at 5,727.90, despite a strong trend. Utilities continued its downward streak at 442.73. The communication services sector was relatively flat but managed a positive close, illustrating mixed trends. Among global ETFs, Israel reached a new record close at 107.25 after rising 1.4%. Finland and Netherlands maintained strong positive trends with consecutive days of growth, both closing significantly higher in their daily metrics. Delving into returns, Israel impressed with a notable 39.2% year-to-date return, confirming its strong upward trajectory. Finland and Netherlands also showcased substantial year-to-date returns above 40% and 33% respectively, emphasizing their robust market performance. In today's tech stock news, Apple closed at 284.15, down by 2.4. The company is riding a very strong positive trend amidst strong upward volatility over the past 10 days. Alphabet shares climbed by 4.60 to close at 320.62, marking 2 consecutive days of gains, reinforcing its strong positive trend. Amazon ended the session at 232.43, falling by 1.99 while staying in mixed positive territory. The price has been flat for 3 days. Meta Platforms saw a decrease of 7.37, ending at 639.73, with a mixed negative trend and flat price movement for the last 3 days. Lastly, NVIDIA closed at 179.59, down 1.87, amidst a mixed negative trend and sideways price movement over a similar time frame.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 93,365.96, jumping up by 2,057.91 today, though it's in a very strong negative trend. Ethereum rises 152.10 to 3,151.50, marking a 5% surge. BNB gains 35.16 to 912.20, and Dogecoin advances 3.7%, breaking out upwards from a 3-day flat movement. Bitcoin's total return this week is impressive at 3.29%, despite its overall very strong negative trend. Ethereum's week-to-date return climbs to 5.33%, while BNB's year-to-date gains are notably significant at 30.13%. Dogecoin has a 3.14% week-to-date gain, but shows a steep decline of 52.03% for the year.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Today, the US dollar faces declines across major currencies. Against the euro, it stands at 0.8568, down 0.0047. The greenback has slipped 4 consecutive days with a recent downward breakout, showing some volatility. Overall, it has a negative trend. Similarly, the British pound sees the dollar at 0.7489, a 0.0081 drop, amid strong downward volatility and a mixed negative trend. Across to the yen, the dollar trades at 155.2600, marginally down by 0.2970, yet displays a mixed positive trend despite a 2-day slide. The Swiss franc shows a similar picture, with the dollar at 0.7997, reflecting strong negative trends and recent volatility-induced downturn. Meanwhile, in the Australian dollar trades, the greenback is at 1.5144, having decreased by 0.0137, maintaining a very strong negative trend and experiencing recent volatility-driven breakout.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports, with in-depth stock, index sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.